Should I be worried? Should I actually be worried? Because I'm also pregnant. I'm Annie, I'm your high-risk bestie, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about navigating our pregnancies without fear and without doubt. This channel is specifically for moms with concerns or complications in their pregnancies, moms who feel like they're not getting all the meat and the potatoes that they need from their providers. So if you feel like that's something you can relate to, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Go ahead and go ahead and turn on that notifications bell. Should I be concerned? I'm pregnant and I have fibroids. Okay, let's break this down because that is actually a loaded question. Here, get some coffee and get some tea, mama, because we're going to just chat for a little bit. I just want to make sure that you understand a little bit of perspective, okay? Here's why. Just like everything, there are levels to fibroids. Fibroids are a general term, but instead there are 4 types of fibroids. There are some underneath the lining of the uterus, in the muscle of the uterus, around the uterus, on the outside, and then on top. And so I wouldn't just say you have fibroids, be worried, but more so, tell me more. Come closer. You're pregnant. That's half of the battle, okay? Biggest things to know is that many, in fact, most women who are pregnant with fibroids are able to carry their babies to term without any complications. And so if that eases your fear, please let your fears be eased because you're actually meant to enjoy your pregnancy. I love that for you, okay? And with fibroids, that could place you in a little bit more of a high risk bracket. Some of those concerns are, will this mom go into preterm labor? Will you go into preterm labor? Will these fibroids decide to cause some trouble and cause you a little bit of pain? And so there are some concerns of, what could potentially happen because there are fibroids in your pregnancy. It doesn't mean that it's going to happen to you. It doesn't happen to every woman, but because it's happened to some women, now we have to monitor and make sure that you are not one of those women, okay? One of the things that could happen is that there's not enough space between baby and between the fibroids because the womb is not the largest space, and so now the space is shared. So there is usually a concern. Will this baby get all the nutrients that they need because this fibroid is right next to this baby? Will this fibroid block some of the growth of the baby? And so sometimes there is a concern. Is this baby going to grow to be big enough without any issues of the weight at the delivery? That's always a possibility. Okay. The next thing that can be concerning, or the next question mark we'll say, is will this mama end up going into preterm labor because now the uterus or the womb is a little confused. The uterus or the womb is carrying almost double the weight that it was carrying before. So now the uterus might think, oh, this baby is heavy. Gotta get out of here. And so the uterus might actually start contracting because of the fibroids and cause a sense of preterm labor. So that's always a concern. Another concern is also, will this fibroid cause pain during the pregnancy? Now, we know sometimes the periods could have been painful or they could have been heavy, but now we're talking about this uterus now dealing with this fibroid and also this baby. Sometimes I can get into that in a later video. Just comment down below if that's some information that you're interested in getting, okay? Last thing that can happen that can cause concern for fibroids and pregnancy is, will this fibroid potentially cause this baby not to come out vaginally, right? And so where's the location of this fibroid? Some people have fibroids that are super low, that they are the first thing that's coming before a baby could ever pass through. And because of that, some moms are automatically up for a C-section because between the baby and the fibroid, there was just no space for them to come out of the vaginal canal, okay? So I just wanted to come on here and let you know, if you have fibroids, should you worry? Ultimately, no. Okay, ultimately no, but I do want you to remain educated as you go. Educated but not worried, okay? And so I will continue to upload videos like this every week. If this is content that you find to be informative for you, go ahead and share it with a friend. Hit that subscribe button. Bye.